Hey traders, welcome new followers. It's Alliance of Stratege here, your fearless guide through the wild world of trading. If you're grinding through the markets, hitting those highs and lows, you've probably asked yourself some tough questions. Today, we're diving deep into 3 key strategies in Forex markets. 1. Electric light bulb smart money concept. 2. Cup and handle pattern. 3. Fire RSI vs Stochastic. 1 on the list. Electric light bulb smart money concept. Supply and demand trading is about placing your orders according to zones where the price tends to reverse due to various factors. It's almost like support and resistance lines, but broader and typically supported by fundamental factors. High voltage sign # typically, the price reacts sharply to supply and demand zones, indicating a significant amount of buying or selling interest. White heavy check mark, but how do you know when to enter? That's what the picture is about. Look for a rally-based drop movement or other variations of it. The price tends to retest the base before moving toward the rally. Memo: these areas enable traders to employ a favorable risk-to-reward approach in their trades. You can set a buy limit order before the price reaches the base, and the chart will do it for you. Note that the stop loss should typically be positioned near the demand zone and below the supply zone. 2 on the list. Teacup with handle # cup and handle pattern. Fire one of the most powerful bullish continuation patterns in trading, the cup and handle. How it works: white heavy check mark cup formation. A rounded bottom forms after an initial bullish trend. White heavy check mark handle formation. A small pullback before the breakout. White heavy check mark breakout. Price breaks the resistance and continues the bullish trend. Electric light bulb reverse cup and handle. It's the bearish twin. Instead of a rounded bottom, it forms a rounded top, signaling a potential downtrend continuation. Last on the list. Fire RSI vs Stochastic. Bar chart RSI, a staple for trending markets. RSI evaluates momentum by measuring the strength of recent price moves. It signals when an asset is overbought, above 70, or oversold, below 30, helping you confirm trend sustainability or anticipate reversals. Ideal for longer-term trend analysis. Bar chart stochastic oscillator. Designed for range-bound markets, Stochastic compares the closing price to its recent trading range, offering quicker momentum signals. It's highly responsive to price changes, making it invaluable for timing short-term entries and exits in sideways markets. Fire key difference. RSI equals big picture, slower signals, trend-focused. Stochastic equals quick decisions, sharper signals, range-focused. Electric light bulb combine them. While each has its strengths, combining the two can provide greater accuracy. Use RSI to confirm the market direction and Stochastic to pinpoint entry and exit points.